Does this happen to you? You have a drawer organizer that is in the front, and in the back, there's nothing. So when you close the drawer, it moves. You can see that it moved here. If you keep doing it, after you know it, it's going to be all the way up in the front, and it goes up like this. So if you'd like to keep this down here like this, this is a bracket that will go in the back that's sizable, that after you size it correctly, you take this out, put this in, put this in place, and when you close it, you open it up, and it stays in the front. You can see that it's there. Now I also have one for the side right here, and I'm going to show you how to fit that. It's the exact same model, same thing. We're just going to fit one on the side so it never moves to the side. And you'll see you could even put something in the back here. Right. So we'll show you how to do that. Okay, to show you what we have here, we have the rail that will be over here. And then we have the slider, which will sit like this, and we'll figure out which hole we want to put them in, there's 4 plugs, so you'll want to fit which 4 you want to put them in. So you'll size it like this, right? You can size it just like that. And once you get it just the way you want it, you'll put the plugs right in there, and then just put it here and put it underneath, and it won't move. All right, so I'll show you putting the holes together into the plugs next. Okay, so after sizing it, I know I want to put the plugs in holes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 up here. So I want to skip 5 holes and put it in 6 and 7. Just happens to be my application. And you'll notice this is coming down this way, which the drawer will sit here, which will hold these down. It's a snug fit, but if you were banging this and it was the opposite way, you might have it come up after a while. So I like to put it this way, and then the weight of the holder of the organizer will keep it in place. Okay, so we're going to put it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we just take this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these are meant to be snug, so you're going to want to really push them in here. Okay, all the way down. These are purposely a little tight. There you go. You want to go all the way down to the ground. Whoops, dropped that one. Got it right here. Here we go. Okay, and now that they're in the right place, you're going to get an equally fit, a snug fit right here. Put that on. Nice little firm fit. And now we'll put it in the drawer. Okay, so now we have our bracket. We're going to stick it right in here. So I already have one in the back. I'm going to take this out. And it can go anywhere you want. It doesn't have to go up or down, doesn't matter. Put it in the middle, really doesn't matter. And just lay it in here like this. And there you go. Now you can, it's not going to be totally tight, but it's going to move it, prevent it from moving a lot, right? And so you have, it's prevented from really sliding over, especially backwards. So now you have a way where you can go in here and you can even put your stuff, things that you don't use that often. There's a nutcracker, put that in the back, little knife, put a corkscrew here, I don't use that too much, put it in this way, right, just to get it out of the way, and there you go. Get it cleaner, okay, different things, and now there you go. So now we have it controlling the distance going this way, and also you can see this is not going anywhere, up and down, which is the most important thing. And just a reminder, keep this side underneath, And you can always just adjust it. If you don't like seeing it, you can move it up. No problem. And here you go. It'll stay in place.